Zambales 1st District Representative Jay Kong-hoon has filed a House resolution seeking an investigation into alleged poor service by Prime Water. Mobile journalist Amy Atienza has the report.
Congressman Paulo Ortega and Jay Kong-hoon prioritizes adequate and better water supply for the provinces as they file their bills this Thursday.
Nag-file tayo ng ng bill about sa a resolution directing the appropriate committee of the House of Representatives to conduct an inquiry in aid of legislation into the issues and irregularities in the joint venture agreement between the local water districts and Prime Water Infrastructure.
There has been little to no supply of water in various provinces in the country. Amid the situation, citizens worry about the water bills they kept on receiving. This is even backed up by the complaint of actress Carla Beliana on social media, calling out Prime Water regarding the same concern. And even before people call out that this is all a political move against Villars, Kong-hoon says,
Actually, it's the company of Prime Water, no? Hindi naman natin sinisingle out, no? Or wala tayong sinasabing apelyido o pamilya, basta the corporation itself, yung Prime Water. Usually, local issue naman yan yung sa Prime Water dahil tulad ako sa Subic, no? Prime Water ang nagbibigay ng serbisyo, lalong-lalo na sa supply ng tubig. Nakikita naman ng mga kababayan namin doon kung ano yung problema, kung gaano kasama, no, yung kanilang serbisyo.
the bigger concern for Congressmen Paulo Ortega and Jay Kong-hoon, their provinces mostly rely on water supply, especially as La Union and Zambales aim to be caliber summer tourist destinations in the country. They said this has been a long-withstanding issue in their hometowns. And even when they were not in the Congress post, they have been trying to call on the attention of the corporation for the said matter. They are hoping that this time, all issues will be addressed.
Siguro po itong investigasyon na to, pag natuloy po, hindi lang po para maisaayos yung mga kailangan sa ayos ng batas. Baka meron din po problema sa internal nilang pagpapatakbo. At syempre, ang goal naman natin dito mapaayos yung serbisyo at mabigay yung kinaukulang serbisyo na nararapat po sa taong bayan.
Mobile journalist Amy Atienza, we are One News.